Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Notion to Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open Claude AI and click on your profile icon. From there, go to Settings and navigate to the Connectors section. Next, click on Browse Connectors. You should see Notion listed there, but if not, simply use the search bar to find it faster. Once you find Notion, click on the plus icon next to it. This will redirect you to the Notion sign-in page where you need to select the account you want to connect. After signing in, choose the workspace you want Claude AI to access, then click Continue. After the connection is complete, you should see a Configure button next to Notion inside Claude AI. This section allows you to manage permissions and control what Claude AI can access in your workspace. For example, you can allow or block actions like creating pages, editing content, or adding comments. To test the integration, open a new chat and ask Claude AI to interact with your Notion workspace. So that's basically how you can connect Notion to Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.